Hey, what's up, Cardano holders? So what's going on? Cardano give us $1. Then congratulations, my brother. First of all, congratulations to all holder of Cardano because Cardano is moving like a rocket, absolutely like a rocket. Tomorrow is absolutely very bad. Cardano holders, I'm sorry for that, but today is the day of Cardano, so let's get started this live prediction of Cardano. But before I can start this brand video, my brothers, I hope you all love this channel. Please subscribe if you are new on this channel. Please subscribe. I hope you just complete my 3,000 subscribe. Please, I am very happy if you completed. Okay, thank you so much, brothers, per subscriber. Okay, you can see here the changes. Oh my goodness, absolutely. When I see this type changes, absolutely I am very excited to see this type change. Plus 3.23% is the last 24-hour change. Oh my goodness, absolutely. Every time they take this dump, absolutely, I see a live result, live chart. Then absolutely my mind is stop working to what's going on, oh my goodness, absolutely I buy it. So this is absolutely good time, and this is very suspensive news to last 24 hours. Today jump on 1.23 to 1.33 US dollar. Absolutely they change a 10 point, absolutely 0.10 point. That's they gone off. Absolutely they mind-blowing result, the mind-blowing jump, absolutely crush jump. If you can see here is the absolutely totally change come, and this absolutely totally 1.32 they come out. You can see here absolutely here is the price of 1.2. If you can see here, let's check it out. Here as the you can see here 1.22, but again when they cross it, when they jump at 2, let's see. Oh my goodness, absolutely when they jump at 1.32, absolutely a crash jump. And I hope in the upcoming day they take absolutely this type jumping, and they give you a very good profit. So if they make you a millionaire, absolutely buy, my brothers, because this is absolutely gone very fastly, and this is absolutely very fastest cryptocurrency. I hope they can beat every cryptocurrency and they make you a millionaire. Cardano holder, this is absolutely mind-blowing result. Let's check it out. Cardano holder, the last 1 hour chart to what's going on, and the last 1 hour. Oh my goodness, absolutely. This is the night time, this is morning time. Therefore, every cryptocurrency it goes down in those days and those time, absolutely. But I hope, absolutely, you can see here the prices again come down. But I hope in upcoming days they start again growing. At the mid of this day, absolutely they cross, absolutely growing up. What you say? Can they can growing up? They can cross to US dollar. What you say? What's your opinion? My expectation is to they can cross to US dollar. What you say? Please share it in the comment box. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Hope you enjoyed this video. Allah Hafiz. Take care. Subscribe channel also. Thank you.